The new VACC MotorTech is finally here. With its arrival, many new features have been added, which will help you find the information you are looking for faster and with an easier to use interface. Let's take a quick tour and look at how these changes will improve your experience.
This edition of Tech Tips proudly brought to you by the new Our Auto diagnostic tool, the essential MotorTech companion.
Logging into the new VACC MotorTech, you will be presented with three main areas. On the left side of the screen is the navigation panel. This allows you to quickly switch between different online products that make up VACC MotorTech, as well as find useful information such as FAQs and tech tips. Along the top of the screen are various toolbars such as the vehicle selection bar and the product selection bar. In the center of the screen is the main window. Selecting a vehicle is as easy as clicking the desired manufacturer, make and models. There is now a filter box to narrow down the results further. Or alternatively, you may make use of the search function in the vehicle selection bar. This is handy if you know the model code of the vehicle. For example, typing in KDJ 150 will allow you to find this vehicle quicker than selecting Toyota Prado KDJ 150. Once the vehicle is selected, the home page for that vehicle will be displayed in the main window. All search results for the selected vehicle are grouped into columns depending on which online product from within MotorTech they come from. The first column contains any available results for the selected vehicle from Tech Online. Tech Talk results are now displayed in their own column, which makes finding the relevant articles a lot easier. A big improvement over the previous version of MotorTech is the addition of Haynes Pro results being listed in the third column. This allows you to quickly switch to Haynes Pro for the selected vehicle without having to start the whole new vehicle search. Lastly, VACC Tech Times and Tech Estimate fill out the remaining columns. Once an item has been selected, you can easily return to this page of results by clicking on the VACC MotorTech logo in the top left corner, or on the home icon in the vehicle selection bar. To change to a different vehicle, make, model or series, click on the vehicle detail buttons, which will allow you to make a different choice for that category. If you would like to clear all search results and start over, click the reset button on the right of the vehicle selection bar, then click proceed. Another new feature is the ability to find previously searched vehicles via a handy vehicle history button. This new feature speeds up your workflow when working on multiple vehicles. Above the vehicle selection bar is the product selection bar. This functions the same way as the previous version of MotorTech, so you can go directly to the drawer you want if you already know what you are looking for, or if no results are returned via the vehicle search function. The Haynes AllAccess manuals can be selected from this navigation bar. Lastly, the navigation panel on the left contains a list of online components or drawers in MotorTech. A green tick icon next to the drawer indicates that there is available data for the selected vehicle and can be selected from here. One of the biggest points of difference with VACC MotorTech are the resources available to you by calling the VACC's Tech Advisory Service. If you click on the clock logo on the right of the top toolbar, this will display the phone numbers and opening hours for this service. To use the Tech Advisory Service, you will need your member number, which can be found with all of your important subscription information if you click on the arrow next to your name on the left side of the top toolbar. For more information on how to navigate the new VACC MotorTech, click on the Tech Tips link in the navigation panel. Then click on the tab for Zoom sessions and you can register for our free online training, or you can select some of our instructional videos. If you have any questions or require more immediate assistance, call the Tech Advisory Service or the VACC MotorTech Assistance Line on 03 9829 1268.